Okay, hey guys, I look atrocious. Like, don't even look. I have my glasses on, which I never wear. Like, look at my hair. Like, Lord help me out. Like, I'm missing a fingernail. I just wanted to start this vlog off just by saying, like, this is just a little follow me around vlog of like the past kind of like week and a half, 2 weeks. So yeah, just enjoy. It's literally just a bunch of random clips, and let me know if you guys want more of these, just like kind of every 2 weeks ish, just like what I've done. And yeah, just enjoy all this random ass footage. So if you guys are new here, make sure you are subscribed. I post new videos every Monday, and make sure you guys are following me on all my social medias. I'll have my Instagram and Twitter right here, and then my Snapchat right here. But yeah, we're just gonna get right into the craziness. Okay guys, so I am actually going, what is this car doing? Oh my god, drive please. Like, I have no idea what this car is doing, and I'm about to get really mad. Okay, hopefully you can hear me with the mask, but yeah, I am actually going to go get lasered right now for laser hair removal. Here's the fit that we're working with. But yeah, so I'm going to Laser Away. I'm sure you guys have heard of them. I've seen them everywhere, but I'm really excited. So I'm gonna do my Brazilian and my underarms, and I'm actually really scared. I never vlog in public, so it's really awkward for me. I've done it, but like not by myself. Yeah, so that is what we're doing today. I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can in there, but I'm also going on my phone because I need a freaking vlog camera. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm kind of nervous. Also, didn't have a coffee yet, so that's where we're at. But yeah, this is Town Square in Vegas, if you guys have ever been here. It's cute. I've only been here once more times than this, so I got lost coming here.
Shawty asking for the update. Yeah, shawty asking for the homie. I'ma give it up. Tryna give my up. Yeah, loves a tempo. I'm tryna set it up. Shawty asking for the update. Yeah, shawty asking for the homie. I'ma give it up.
So I just finished. It was low-key more painful than I thought, but it wasn't too much. Like, I didn't have to stop. I didn't need any breaks, but I heard it gets more painful as you go, so we'll just have to see. But right now I'm gonna kind of shop around for a minute since I have some extra time. Might try to find some coffee. But yeah, that's what we're doing today.
Just want you, thinking of you. Shawty just wanna you thing. Yeah, shawty asking for the me, tryna give it up, tryna give me up. Yeah, there's a time, but I'm tryna say it. Shawty just wanna you thing. Yeah, shawty asking for the
Okay guys, I am back in my car. I was so hot. Also, look at how dirty my mask is. Yeah, but I was walking around and I was like, I can't do this. I literally went into Mac, and then I was like, let's get coffee and leave. Also, my Brazilian's starting to a little bit hurt. Not bad. It's not bad. It's just like rubbing on my pants. It's like, I want to go home and change into shorts. I tried to wear like a sleeveless top, and then like these are like looser. They're like looser pants, but they're not like loose, if that makes sense. And they bunch up right there. Also, sorry, I know you can hear my air conditioner. I'm just f***ing sweating, so. It's literally still 100 degrees here. But yeah, so I got some coffee. There's a Chick-fil-A right by here, and there's no Chick-fil-A's right by my house, so I'm gonna get Chick-fil-A for lunch because I'm freaking hungry. But guys, so my appointment was at 1. I literally got out at probably 1:15, maybe 1:10. Like, it was the quickest time of my life because I did all that. It's only 1:25 right now, and I walked around, shopped in Mac, I didn't get anything, and got coffee and walked back here. And it's only 1:25. So if you're doing, I mean, I don't know if it's different if you do different areas, but at least for, she did the armpits and the entire Brazilian in like freaking 10 minutes. It was not it was not bad. It was a little bit discomfort. Also, awkward. It didn't like right away take the hair away. Like, it's all still there. So I don't know exactly how it works. I don't know if like over time, I don't know if it's just because it's the first session, it's not gonna do anything. Also, I have I have thicker hair, especially on my armpits and Brazilian area. It's like a thicker, coarser hair. So yeah, I mean, obviously it's gonna be different from somebody that has very thin, fine hair. Like, some people really have like 3 armpit hairs. Can't relate. But yeah, so I don't know if it's like over time it just starts falling out. I think that's what I've heard, but I don't know how true that is. So yeah, we're just gonna let her chill out. She was like, don't do anything for 24 hours. Don't like work out. You know, you just don't want to get it sweaty. Don't take like a hot shower. It'll just irritate it. Obviously, because you're literally burning your flesh. But I've had, if you guys don't know, I made a whole video on it. I've had laser tattoo removal, and it's like a very similar feeling, but the tattoo removal is a lot more painful. This was not bad. It was just on sensitive, like more sensitive areas. So the tattoo removal was on my arm. This was on my armpits and coochie, so of course it's gonna hurt more, you know, but it wasn't the same type of pain. Like, the other one is way more painful. It's just the same like feeling, and it's like a very hard feeling to describe, but also the smell is what gets me every time. I'm like, I can smell my flesh, but I am so excited, guys. Even she was looking and she goes, "God, did you shave or did you trim?" I said, I shaved 12 hours in advance, like it said. Like, I'm telling you guys, my hair grows so fast, especially down there, so I am so excited to just like hopefully not have to shave at all anymore. But even if I do have to shave a little bit after this, I still won't be mad, because it's supposed to just lessen everything, and that's what I need, because those Italian genes be coming in strong, okay? Anyway, we're gonna go get Chick-fil-A. I don't think I have anything else fun for the day, which is why I'm doing like a week in my life, because a day in my life is just not exciting enough. So yeah, we're gonna get Chick-fil-A, and I will talk to you guys soon. All right, guys, I got my Chick-fil-A. Also took my whole shoe off in the drive-thru. First off, I try to never drive with like sneakers on. Second off, it was freaking hurting my foot, because these are like, one of these shoes fits me perfect and the other one does not. Oh my god. Hey guys, I'm home. Yeah, but I just wanted to chat for a minute about the laser away. So I didn't really get to talk about it because I was kind of walking in, and low-key I was nervous. But I didn't really record in there. I will record more in there next time. I was just like trying to feel out what it was gonna be like. It was so quick though that I didn't even have time to think about like whipping my phone out and recording. So next time I know to like just be ready, because it was so fast. But yeah, it's been almost like an hour, I'd say, because I went and got Chick-fil-A and then I had to drive home, whatever, and it's like 20-30 minutes from me. But yeah, my armpits are like feeling okay. It feels like if you've ever had like razor burn and it rubs against your skin, that's how it's feeling on like both ends. But it's not anything like dramatic. Like, it's perfectly fine. It's just like a little bit of an annoyance. Like, I can tell it's gonna be like annoying today. But yeah, if you guys never heard of Laser Away, but I'm sure you guys have, they do laser hair removal, they do Botox, lip injections, the Juvederm, they do tattoo removal, hella stuff. So if you guys do want to check them out, the link will be down below for you guys to check them out, to book, whatever. But yeah, I will keep you guys posted on this journey, because I don't go back for another 6 weeks, so 6 weeks from now. But yeah, that's pretty much all I think I have to vlog today. I might vlog later because I have to go into work, but I might actually not work all day, so if I do something fun later, I will let you guys know. If not, I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna eat my Chick-fil-A. Okay, hey guys, I know I look like a disaster. That is exactly how I feel as well, so doing great. This is the horrible fit we're working with. My shirt says hungover. That's how I feel. Anyways, guys, I am about to go to Ikea. I need to find like 5 furniture pieces. So hopefully they have everything I need. I tried to order it online the easy way, and it was just giving me so many problems. So I was like, Ikea's like not that far from me, so I will just drive there, I guess, and screw it. Yeah, I meant to get ready today, but I didn't. I also got my nails done today. So cute. Yeah, that's literally all I've done all day. I went and got my nails done and then took a fire-ass nap, and I'm just now waking up. It's like 3:30. So yeah, we're gonna run to Ikea, and that was what you guys said. Guys, wow, I look like a dead right now. Anyway, I just got done at Ikea, and it was the most pointless trip of my life. They had nothing that I needed. Sorry, it's like blasting in here. It's so hot. But yeah, I wanted literally just a side table, a coffee table, a TV stand, and then I wanted to buy my vanity. And when I was looking online, I wanted to just come and pick it up, and it was saying that it wasn't like really available. So I thought I was gonna have troubles, but I couldn't find one thing. I was like, because when I was looking online, just the vanity wasn't available. So I was like, oh, let me just go and see if I could talk to them. Literally nothing was available. So I sort of just ordered half the stuff online and went and picked it up. But whatever, I ended up getting literally just random ass shit. Somebody just pulled in right next to me, so this is weird. I literally just got a shower curtain because I haven't had one. I literally just used a clear one the whole 8 months that I've lived here, so I needed a shower curtain. It's like not anything fancy, but it doesn't go with the bath mats that I have, so I think I'm just gonna get new bath mats. I don't know why I got one that doesn't go with what I was doing, but it's fine. And then I got some random ass silverware because it was on sale, and to be honest, I need more silverware. And then I got, where'd it go? I got a cute little fall candle. It's supposed to smell like cinnamon, I think. I don't know. I needed another candle for fall because all mine are like not fall scents. So yeah, just random ass shit that I didn't need, but it's fine. I'm gonna go home and try to see if I can order anything online from them. And yeah, I don't know what the rest of the plan is. I was gonna try to film in there, but I literally didn't grab like a cart or anything, so I was holding all that in my hand. My arm is so sore. Yeah, but I'm just gonna go home right now, might make a salad, and I will check in with you guys later. Okay guys, so I literally just cleaned my whole kitchen and chilled for a little bit. I still need to do some laundry, but I just went and got my mail. So I wanted to show you guys. First, I was literally crying because I got a letter from my grandma, which I love getting, but it always makes me emotional. But yeah, so I also got my lashes in. You guys have no idea how freaking excited I am. I love these lashes. If you've been watching me, you probably know this already. Anyway, I have been out of lashes for so freaking long, and I literally had like my credit card, not even my credit card, it was my debit card. I went to some sketchy gas station and got frauded, and then they sent me a new debit card, but it's sent all the way in Ohio, so whatever. It's been a whole mess, and I wasn't able to even order any new ones, but they're here now. Called Drunken Love by Icon. They are my favorite lashes ever. Just so you guys can see, like I said, if you watch me, you probably have already seen these, but I'm so obsessed with them. No other lashes look as good as these on me. These ones look kind of small. Sometimes, I will be honest, I love Icon lashes, and I'll have a link to them down below if you want to try them out. These are on sale right now for only $13, so I can't really complain. But sometimes the consistency of them aren't the same. Like, don't these ones look longer? Or I'm just tripping. I don't know. But yeah, this is amazing because I literally just like ruined my lashes yesterday. So I needed these. I don't think I'm doing anything for the rest of the night. I'm about to go buy a hookah right now because I'm just bored. Fail, and that was like kind of my plans all day. Like I was gonna just like build shit all night, but I don't have anything to build. But my shower curtain looks really good, and it actually kind of matches the bath mats. I just need to pick out like a cute accent color. But anyway, I'm about to go buy a hookah so I can chill and smoke hookah. If you guys smoke hookah, let me know. Just kidding. You're cool if you don't smoke or if you do. But I just like smoking hookah for fun. I used to work at a hookah place, so I just like, yeah, that's pretty much gonna be my night. I don't know if I want to do anything fun and leave my house, or if I want to go to the gym, or if I just want to chill all night. I don't know. We're gonna decide. Okay guys, so I am currently trying to adopt a cat. If you guys didn't know, I don't think I ever talked about it. I wanted to adopt a cat for like the past month, and yeah, so I look like a wreck. But right now, this weekend, like all of Nevada is like, you can get dogs and cat adoption waived, whatever the fuck I'm trying to say. But yeah, so they're basically free to adopt for the most part. So I was like, I've been trying to get a cat, and now it's probably a good time because like the fees are waived. But I think I thought wrong. I think this is more freaking hassle than anything. So the one places I found online, I've been like calling, and they're like, we're out. all of them are gone, which is great that that many like animals are getting adopted. But yeah, I called one place and they were like, okay, we're not gonna have anyone here until 1. So I'm like, okay, perfect. So I was gonna get there right at 1. I get there right at 1, and then it has like the board with their schedule of like what volunteers are in, and tell me why the other one got off at 12:30 and then somebody doesn't come in until 2. And I called at like 11:30, so I could have went. I should have just went, but whatever. I just don't know why he told me a time that was like literally the only time they're not there. So I'm waiting now. It's literally 1:08, so I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna go home. It's like really close to my house, and we're gonna eat because I'm so hungry. And I thought we're gonna have a cat right now, but we don't. So we're gonna go eat and then try this again. Okay guys, I'm home and I got my cat. I haven't let her out yet. I'm like scared what she's gonna do, so we're gonna see. Come here, babe. Took me like 2 hours. Okay. I know, you're scared, huh? I know, it's okay. It's alright, you don't have to be scared. Too much soon. Okay guys, I'm gonna let her get settled in. Guys, I never really did an update on her. Come here. Yeah, but it's been like almost a week and she has no name. So if you guys have any suggestions for a name, let me know. She's so sweet and good. But yeah, just let me know. I need name suggestions. She's still nameless, huh? Aw, baby.